Welcome to the beating heart of Isfahan, Jahan Square. Join us on a captivating journey as we traverse the hidden pathways that lead to this breathtaking historical marvel. Stepping into this UNESCO World Heritage Site, we're greeted by a majestic sight, a sprawling square adorned with architectural wonders. But our adventure doesn't stop here, as we glide through this living testament to history. Framed by architectural splendor, our senses come alive. The palaces and mosques are stunning, its intricate designs weaving tales of a glorious past. The market beckons with its kaleidoscope of goods, vibrant textiles, handcrafted artistry, and the aroma of spices wafting through the air. Here, the pulse of Isfahan resonates. Beyond the stunning landmarks and the lively market, it's the spirit of unity that defines Jahan Square, a place where generations merge, where cultures intertwine, creating moments that transcend time, leaving behind a piece of our hearts in this treasure trove of history. We carry with us not just souvenirs but moments woven into the fabric of our lives. Jahan Square, where the past meets the present in a symphony of beauty and community.